So hi guys. I know it has been a minute since you saw me guys, and want to do a video together. This year in my bucket list I wrote that I needed to start or to learn how to do my makeup. And we'll go with the first thing. This video will be about anything to do with makeup, the products, the one, two, threes I have learned from a different YouTube YouTuber, that is. I want us to learn together. So in this video I will write everything down that I need to buy for my makeup class. I will know my skin type, and then later I will buy the products that I will need to learn, because I have like 2 weeks to an event and I need to have learned to do my makeup by then. So being on the 12th of December, by 23rd I need to have known how to do my makeup. And as you know, my skin is very sensitive. Sorry for the noise, I am at my shop. So today let us just go through this video and see what will come through. The first thing I know, I need to do my eyebrows. I'll go shape my eyebrows. I don't know how to shape them, but I'll go to a salon. I'll shape that until I know how to do it. So yeah, I'll get my eye pencil that I know, and then a concealer, just to learn to do my eyebrows before anything else. I want you guys to come through this journey with me. So yeah, let's learn how to do makeup. This is day one. I'll do a series of every day. I'll be doing that in my shop. I don't have time to do it in the house because I will be having the other channel, that is, this is for modeling and the other one is for just anything, uh, cooking my life in the house. Yeah, so stick by. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for those who are here. I love you guys. It is not easy to get to 907 subscribers. Thank you so much, and let's go. Getting myself to understand everything about makeup, and these are the first it's the first day, and these are the products and the tools that I need to get to start this journey. For the first product, I have written them down, so I'll just be reading. I'll need the primer, the foundation, concealer, setting powder, and setting spray. I don't know how much that is, but I will have to get them. The eye products, I'll need the eyebrow pencil, eyeshadow palette, eyeliner, and mascara. Another thing that I need a lip product, lip liner, and lip gloss and lipstick. Already I have a lip gloss daily use, but I'll need a new set. We will do shopping tomorrow together. That is in day two. Just this is setting up the mood, yeah. And then the tools, I will need a mirror, a brush, and a beauty blender or a sponge. The brushes, I think I will get the 10 pack or the 10 pieces for, I don't know, blending in the makeup. But yeah, this is everything. I will just take this a picture and then get back to you. I'll just show you everything right now. So thank you so much for sticking by to this channel. It will not be a long video. I understand long videos don't take that much consideration, but this is our day one of makeup. So I will show you all the products tomorrow when we start with the eyebrows. the eyebrows. We'll start with the eyebrows and we will learn together. So thank you so much for sticking by. Bye bye. I'll see you on the next one.